A man buys a $70,000 car, but he only has $4,000 in savings. Why would someone risk their financial future for a car? Because most people don't spend money to improve their life. They spend money to impress other people. And that single habit is quietly keeping millions of people broke. Humans are wired to seek approval. Thousands of years ago, acceptance meant survival. Being rejected from the tribe meant danger. But today, that same instinct shows up in a different way. People buy things they cannot afford just to feel accepted. Expensive phones, luxury cars, designer clothes, not because they truly need them, but because they want others to think they're successful. This creates what many economists call the middle-class trap. Here's how it works. As soon as someone earns more money, their lifestyle grows with it. Raise leads to bigger apartment. Promotion leads to luxury car. Bonus leads to expensive vacation. Income rises. But wealth never grows because the money is spent on appearance instead of assets. This idea is often summarized by a famous quote popularized by Morgan Housel. People buy things they don't need to impress people they don't like. Let's break down the psychology behind it. When people buy status symbols, they get a temporary boost of validation. Friends notice. Social media likes increase. People feel successful. But the feeling fades quickly, so they repeat the process. New phone, new clothes, new upgrades. This becomes an ego spending loop. And the result is predictable. Higher income, but no financial freedom. Now compare this behavior with how many wealthy people think. For example, legendary investor Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. It's not because he can't afford something bigger. It's because wealthy people understand something powerful. Real wealth is what you don't spend. Money that stays invested becomes assets. Assets produce income.